The National Weather Service in Milwaukee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Rock County and south central Wisconsin until 5:45 p.m. At 5:11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Orfordville or near Brodhead, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Edgerton, Evansville, Brodhead, Brooklyn, Fulton, Magnolia, Union, Cooksville, and Indian Ford. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This storm has produced large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for south central Wisconsin.